Hello all. We shall see here is the task that is the sixth program case study which on MERN stack application. Okay, you need to create a simple MERN stack application. So here I'm showing you task management application. This application will be allowing users to create, read, update and delete task. We will cover all concepts. Okay, so including connecting to the MongoDB database, okay, building an express.js api and using react for the front end. Okay, for this, see, this is the application, how it looks. Okay, here we can add some task. Okay, so like this we can add the tasks. The server is not ready, I think. Okay, so add the task, then for this, I'll be showing you. See, here is the task management application where I have created a backend and a front end. In the backend, we are having models. Under models, we are going to create task.js. Here we are going to tell about the schema. Okay, task schema, that is we are connecting to the database. Okay, this is the model where we are going to connect to the MongoDB database. For that, we need Mongoose. Okay, Mongoose module to be installed. Okay, so this I have taken, and here schema we are going to give that what kind of key and field should be there in your document, that is title and completed. Okay, completed true or false, title it's a string value. Okay, and it is um, required. Okay, and it is required, mandatory to be given. Okay, so next is in the once we get into the folder, we need to say npm init -y. Then you will be able to see package.json. Okay, environment variables has to be set up. Here I am working with MongoDB Compass. So my port number is here. I've created .env file. Okay, .env file in the backend folder. Okay, here I have written MongoDB. It's a local host. We are using 27017. That is Compass. In that I'm having database name as workshop one. Okay, so here this is about the backend. Where and server.js is the main application. Okay, if you see server.js, we need express, so you need to install express. As we already know, we have seen many applications. Npm init -y, after saying that, you install npm I express mongoose. Okay, okay, these and .env. Okay, these three could be installed. And here and the model, all these things have to be imported. Okay, and constant app, that is express application app. Okay, here we are trying to connect to the database and connect to the, see, we are trying to insert the data here. API routes, using API routes, inserting the data. Okay, and here, see, task that we are going to add. And for retrieving, get. Okay, for retrieving, get. Put is for updating using the id, specific id of the document. Okay, and delete specific document here. And the port is running at 5000 and the server is running at 5000. Okay, okay, now see here in the, so see, now open backend, go to the terminal. Okay, or go to the terminal, and you will be seeing. Okay, Now, if I say npm, for before that you need to check your path. Are you into the backend folder or not? Okay. So for that, once you open the terminal, you need to say cd backend. Then you will be getting into backend. There you can say npm start. Your server will be starting. Okay. So it is showing at the port 5000. It is listening. Okay. And now open one more terminal, new terminal, where for the front end. Okay, click on front end, open in the new terminal, and again once you come here, you need to check. You need to check whether you are in the front end directory or not. For that you need to say, once you open the terminal, you will be in task management application. Then you need to get into front end. You need to say cd front end. Okay. So then you will be, your path will be into the front end. Now here again you say npm start. Okay, front end, our react application will be starting. Okay. And at the back end our server will be started. Okay. Now there are some deprecations has to be done. The development server, see here, this is our, okay, application, react application. As we know, by default it will be running on 3000. Okay, I am adding the task, read. Okay, so it will be going on adding the task, like let me show you once it is. Okay, so here I am. Okay. Again, like this you will be going on adding the task. Okay. So add the task, click on the add, then it will be added to the your database. Okay. So like that you can go on adding the task. Okay. Keep learning. Thank you all.